I've been exploring different affiliate networks lately, and one name that keeps popping up, especially among Australian and Asia-Pacific marketers, is Commission Factory. It's often described as one of the most beginner-friendly yet powerful platforms for affiliates. But I wanted to find out if it's really as easy to use and profitable as everyone says, or if it's just another network with big promises. Commission Factory is an affiliate marketing network that connects brands with publishers, influencers, and creators. What makes it stand out is how approachable it feels. It's designed to make affiliate marketing simple without sacrificing performance or data accuracy. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or an experienced pro, it gives you all the tools you need to start earning through partnerships with trusted brands. When you sign up, you get access to a clean, intuitive dashboard. You can browse hundreds of affiliate programs from well-known names across fashion, beauty, tech, travel, and lifestyle. Each program clearly outlines commission rates, cookie durations, and promotional assets. Once you're approved for a campaign, you can grab your tracking links, start promoting, and watch your clicks and conversions update in real time. It's genuinely one of the easiest affiliate dashboards to navigate. One of the biggest advantages of Commission Factory is its focus on user experience. Everything runs smoothly, tracking is accurate, payments are consistent, and reports are simple to understand. They also offer helpful resources and tutorials for affiliates who are just starting out, making it one of the most supportive platforms in the industry. The network is part of the A1 Group, which means you're backed by one of the largest and most reputable affiliate ecosystems in the world. Another major plus is community. Commission Factory actually encourages direct collaboration between brands and affiliates. There's real transparency in communication, and the platform has a strong reputation for treating affiliates fairly and paying on time. You'll also find dedicated account managers who can help you optimize campaigns and grow faster. That said, it's not without downsides. Because the network is so popular in the Asia-Pacific region, some of the top offers are geo-restricted, meaning they might not perform as well if your audience is outside Australia or Southeast Asia. The approval process for certain high-profile brands can also take time, especially if your website or traffic is new. Commission Factory is perfect for bloggers, influencers, and content creators who want an easy entry point into affiliate marketing with reputable brands. It's also great for experienced marketers looking to expand into the Australian and Asian markets. Overall, Commission Factory delivers exactly what it promises: a smooth, transparent, and trustworthy affiliate experience. It's beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough for pros. If you've used it, let me know how it worked for you in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. I read every comment.